In today's world, power is the backbone of every successful business, day and night. At AKSUN Electronics Technologies LTD, we deliver solar solutions that keep critical businesses running without compromise. Today, we are delivering a reliable solar power system built to meet the demand of a gas station. The journey begins with our team arriving at the site of installation. With the team on ground, the next step is offloading the materials. Every component from the solar panels to the power system is carefully handled because quality installation starts with attention to details. This equipment is selected to withstand heavy usage and deliver consistent power for a gas station environment. Once everything is safely offloaded and inspected, we move closer to building a power solution that keeps operation running without downtime. Next, the team takes their positions. Those handling the interior installation move into place, while the exterior team prepares for the outdoor setup. Each role is clearly defined, ensuring efficiency, safety, and precision at every stage of the project. With everyone in position, the installation begins, inside and outside, working together to deliver a seamless power solution. Now, the installation begins properly, starting with the exterior work. For this project, we installed 16 615 watt JA solar panels, carefully selected to meet the high energy demand of a gas station. The team carefully lifts each panel and places it securely on the roof, ensuring proper alignment and maximum exposure to sunlight. Every necessary connection is made with precision, following safety and installation standards. Here, all 16 panels are carefully and beautifully mounted on the roof, solid, efficient, and ready to deliver reliable power. While the exterior installation is ongoing, another team is carefully handling the interior aspect of the project. This parallel approach ensures efficiency and reduces installation time without compromising quality. Now let's move to the interior part of the job, where the core power system are installed and configured to deliver stable, uninterrupted energy for the gas station. We unbox the 10 kW Africell hybrid inverter and carefully mount it on the wall. This inverter serves as the control center of the system, managing power conversion, load distribution, and ensures seamless integration between solar energy and the grid. Next, we move to the digital breaker box, the heart of the electrical protection for the system. Here, all incoming and outgoing circuits are carefully connected and monitored. Once the breaker box is in place, the team carefully move on to the wiring connections. Every cable is routed with precision, ensuring proper alignment, secure connection, and minimal energy loss. Next, we unbox the 15 kWh Africell Lithium Battery and carefully move it to its designated place for installation. The battery is then connected to the 10 kW Africell hybrid inverter, forming a seamless energy storage and management system. This setup ensures reliable backup power, efficient energy utilization, and a clean, organized configuration designed to keep the gas station running smoothly even during outages. The result is a beautiful and fully integrated solar power system, combining panels, inverters, and battery for maximum performance. So here is our team leader ready to take us through what the system is powering.
Beautiful installation. Yeah, we are using our Africell, premium Africell product. We have premium Africell product of 10 kVA and 15 kW lithium battery. So this beautiful setup here was installed to power this gas station. So come with me and let's see what we have here. You can see our pumping machine is running currently on 8. The water is full. Now let's go check out. Come with me. Let's go check out what we have right here. So we have two points dispenser of gas. And low place. Low place.
Need to power your business or home? AKSUN Electronics Technologies Ltd is the solution you need. Reliable, clean and efficient solar energy. Call us now on 070-3244-0596. And don't forget to follow, like and share all our social media channels to stay updated on our latest projects and solutions.